Working smart is often a better choice than working hard. For that reason, we use many smart gadgets that save us so much time from going to waste. As a result, almost every modern technology is becoming a smart tool that is making our life easy. For today's video, we've picked some of the top coolest devices that might help you to boost your productivity. Does your work require you to look at multiple monitors? And did you ever feel it's taking up too much space for your desk? Then Gemino's stacked screen monitor might have a solution for you. This dual 24-inch stacked screen may have the potential to change the way you look at the monitors. To set up the screens, all you have to do is open the monitor like a book and tilt up the top display. No extra cables, just two extra monitors standing on top of each other. As for the connectivity, it contains plenty of USB ports, TF, SD card slots, and an Ethernet port to connect to your LAN cable. It also has a built-in 1080p camera. Using these external monitors will definitely give your neck some rest and increase your productivity. Having an extra monitor saves so much time in screen-demanding tasks. With Pucket P2 Pro, you can not only have one but two external monitors. This portable monitor has two external screens, which can be used with most laptops. Each monitor has a 13.3-inch IPS display with 1920 by 1080 resolution. The screen is very flexible and can be rotated around 207-degree angles, allowing you to work more efficiently. It also provides a telescope stand for structural support of the monitors. And lastly, this monitor comes with USB-C to USB-C cable and USB-C to USB-A cable for connectivity. Whether you love traveling or simply just moving from one place to another, your electronic devices require charging from time to time. With Supertank Pro, you can charge multiple devices at the same time. This portable battery comes with a 26,800 mAh battery capacity, which provides 138 watts of combined power. Supertank Pro can also be charged through solar panels as well. So when you're going on an adventure, you won't need to worry about an electric port. This battery is made with an aluminum alloy that protects the inside component. This makes the battery shell strong and protects it from taking fall damage. A small OLED display is also included on this battery, which slows the input and output status of charging. If you're looking for an easy solution that requires no extra effort for cable management, then check out Pucket. It is a magnetic on the inside and rubbery on the outside. Because of its magnetic body, it can be separated into two parts. Users can easily wrap small cables around its body and stick them to any metallic objects. This gadget is perfect for rearranging the messy cables behind your PC, like power cables, keyboards, speakers, etc. Additionally, you can also use it as your headphone hanger. Regardless of whatever you choose to do with this small gadget, it will definitely make your life a bit nicer. Whether you work in an open office or from home, decent quality headphones such as the Exa H5 can go a long way to improve your productivity. This single earpiece headset boasts an over-the-ear design that helps attend customer calls or online conferences while also being able to hear coworkers. Talking about calls, the AI-powered microphone on this thing has ENC that makes sure the person on the other side of the call gets to hear the voice clearly. On top of that, the 270-degree rotatable design lets the user wear the headset on the left ear or the right, while the 75 grams of weight feels lightweight over the head. There are a total of 4 buttons to turn the headset on, control the volume, and mute the microphone, and a USB-C port to charge it back up in no time. It utilizes both Bluetooth 5.0 and a wireless dongle that makes connectivity convenient on a variety of devices. The included charging dock is simply awesome, as it lets users charge the headset and keep the USB dongle in the dedicated compartment. Loud clicking noises often make us feel annoyed while working. Check out MX Master 3S, the ultimate silent mouse. This mouse is extremely quiet and has up to 8,000 DPI, making it super smooth and responsive. Besides that, it has 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, which allows you to control it from a long distance. With its horizontal scroll wheel for the thumb, editors will have a pretty good time and swift editing experience. This mouse has a total of 8 buttons, including 3 buttons for the thumb. The scroll wheel also has two different modes, ratchet and free spin. Ratchet mode allows you to have a very detailed scrolling experience, while the free spin mode lets you scroll faster. Users can balance the scroll sensitivity and customize each button as they wish using the dedicated software. Do you have plenty of hard drives lying around and are unsure what to do with them? With the Initech hard drive reader, you can effortlessly turn them into portable storage. This useful gadget is compatible with most 2.5 and 3.5-inch SSDs and HDDs, along with support for IDE hard drives as well. Design-wise, this hard drive reader is quite compact, with plenty of connectors and a built-in switch to turn it off or on whenever needed. It operates via a USB 3.0 port, which is quite common in laptops and desktops. On top of that, it is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, so no matter which OS you are on, it has got you covered. As for the transfer speed, it can reach up to 5 GB per second, which saves much of your time and enhances productivity. Spinning out ancient drives as portable storage hasn't been this easier as it is with the Initech hard drive reader. So that was all about the 7 coolest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.